Imagine hitting the open road with the ultimate blend of power, luxury, and rugged durability. The 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome is redefining the motorhome experience, bringing together cutting-edge engineering and unmatched comfort. Built by Caterpillar, a name synonymous with heavy-duty machinery and reliability, this motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle statement. From the first glance, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome commands attention. Its exterior design exudes strength with bold lines, reinforced chassis, and an imposing front grille that hints at the powerful engine underneath. Every detail is thoughtfully crafted, from aerodynamic curves that improve fuel efficiency to heavy-duty tires built for any terrain. This is a motorhome that's not just about looks, it's built to last and take you anywhere with confidence. Under the hood, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome delivers performance that's nothing short of remarkable. Powered by a state-of-the-art Caterpillar diesel engine, it generates exceptional torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. Long-distance travelers and adventure seekers will appreciate the superior fuel efficiency, allowing for extended journeys without frequent stops. Advanced suspension systems provide a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, making every mile comfortable for both driver and passengers. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional motorhome. High-quality materials, modern finishes, and intelligent design come together to create an inviting living space. The 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome features a full kitchen with energy-efficient appliances, ample storage, and a sleek countertop. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full gourmet meal, this kitchen is equipped to handle it all. The living area is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush seating, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and panoramic windows create a bright and airy environment perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. Convertible seating and modular furniture options allow for flexibility, whether you're hosting friends, spending time with family, or simply enjoying a quiet evening alone. The layout is meticulously planned to maximize space, ensuring comfort without sacrificing functionality. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome are equally impressive. Multiple sleeping areas, including a master suite and additional convertible beds, provide privacy and comfort for everyone on board. High-quality mattresses and soundproofing ensure restful nights, while climate control systems maintain the perfect temperature no matter the season. Every detail is designed with the traveler's comfort in mind, making long road trips feel like a stay in a five-star hotel. For those who value connectivity, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome comes equipped with advanced smart technology. Integrated Wi-Fi, touchscreen control panels, and mobile app compatibility allow you to monitor and manage various systems remotely. From lighting and climate control to security and entertainment, you have full control at your fingertips. This makes it easy to adapt to changing conditions, plan your route, and stay connected wherever you go. Safety and reliability are central to the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome's design. Reinforced safety features, including advanced braking systems, collision detection, and multiple airbags, ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Caterpillar's engineering expertise shines through in the durability of the chassis and drivetrain, allowing this motorhome to handle everything from highways to rugged off-road trails. You're not just traveling, you're traveling with confidence. Storage and practicality are also key strengths. With cleverly designed compartments, exterior storage spaces, and cargo solutions, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome offers ample room for all your gear. Whether you're carrying outdoor equipment, luggage, or essentials for a long trip, you'll find space for everything without compromising living comfort. Accessibility features make loading and unloading easy, even in challenging conditions. The exterior isn't just tough, it's functional. Slide-outs expand living space when parked, while retractable awnings create shaded outdoor areas perfect for camping or entertaining. Solar panels, water management systems, and energy-efficient lighting allow for extended off-grid stays, making it ideal for adventurous travelers who want to explore without restrictions. Every feature is designed to enhance your journey and make life on the road as convenient as possible. In conclusion, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome sets a new standard for motorhome excellence. It combines Caterpillar's legendary durability with modern luxury, smart technology, and practical design to create a vehicle that's as capable as it is comfortable. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes, embarking on cross-country adventures, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, this motorhome delivers an unmatched travel experience. From its robust engine to its luxurious interior, the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome is built for those who demand more from their journeys. It's a statement of power, style, and innovation, offering travelers the ultimate combination of reliability, comfort, and freedom. Step inside, take the wheel, and discover a motorhome experience that goes beyond expectations. The open road has never looked so inviting. Adventure awaits, and with the 2026 Caterpillar Motorhome, you're ready for anything. Whether navigating highways, off-road trails, or remote destinations, this motorhome ensures every trip is memorable, every mile is enjoyable, and every journey feels extraordinary. Experience the power, luxury, and versatility of a motorhome built to go further, last longer, and redefine the way you travel.